Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about retirement. What age to retire is the theme of this vlog. Let's get started in this beautiful Constantia. Where are we, Kat?
Groot. Constantia.
Let's get started.
Groot.
Do you ever in your life want to retire?
No.
But why?
Because I think it keeps you engaged, stimulated, keeps your mind active.
Do you ever want to retire in your life?
Yes, I do, definitely. Yeah.
At what age?
I don't know, 55.
Do you ever in your life want to retire?
I don't want to retire, I want to continue with something or else.
आपको पसंद हो चाहे पसंद ना हो, मन कर रहा हो या ना मन कर रहा हो, at some point of time in our life we all have to start working. नौकरी, business, government की job, private company, whatever, but we all have to start working. While doing so, there is that one question which always comes to our mind, and that question is कि यार मैं पूरी ज़िंदगी ऐसे घिसते रहूँगा या कभी आराम से बैठूँगा, यानी कि रिटायर हो जाऊँगा. And to find answer to this question, a friend of mine actually took me to a very popular farm located around half an hour from Cape Town. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना लोकल एक्सपीरियंस थोड़ा लिया जाए और आपको थोड़ा घुमाया जाए, और साथ में we can actually try to discuss and explore answer for this whole retirement thing. Can I take my hat from the boot? Too far. You're too far.
It's the oldest wine farm in, I want to say South Africa,
Yeah.
in the Western Cape.
Okay. Do you want me to show everyone how it looks like?
Yes.
See, when you work, do something which you really like or not like, but actually being busy and trying to hustle in life, while doing so in that whole process, you actually wake up every morning with a dream, with a purpose, with some objective in life. And when you stop dreaming, and when you start getting up in the morning with no purpose in life, that actually is the day when actually you stop living, in fact start dying. Being busy, being chasing something, being on the go keeps you not only healthy, mentally active and fit, but also always give you some sort of a goal. Point I'm trying to make is, even if you stop working full time, have some objective in life, have a purpose. छोटे छोटे ब्रेक ले सकते हैं, 8 घंटे की जगह 4 घंटे नौकरी कर लें, या कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा पैसों के लिए ना करें, लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए करें, चैरिटी करें, सोशल वर्क करें, कुछ ना कुछ करते रहें. ये है केप टाउन के फेमस खेत। यहाँ खेती होती है, फसल उगाई जाती है मेरे देश की धरती स्टाइल में, बट किसी और चीज़ की खेती है ये। And when it comes to this whole thing about retiring at a certain age, I actually draw my inspiration from Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji. He's almost 80, पर उनका जो आज भी शेड्यूल है वो किसी उनसे आधी उम्र के बॉलीवुड सुपरस्टार से ज़्यादा बिजी है। टू वेरी डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ लुकिंग एट दिस एग्जाम्पल ऑफ श्री अमिताभ बच्चन जी। कुछ लोग कहेंगे यार अमिताभ बच्चन है, आराम से काम मिल जाता है, बिजी हैं, कर रहे हैं, उनको क्या। और कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं विच ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स मी, जो कि ऐसा सोचते होंगे कि यार वो अमिताभ बच्चन हैं, उसके बावजूद 80 साल की उम्र में इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, इतना काम कर रहे हैं। Time to go back to Cape Town. And I'm very clear that I want to work till the very last day of my life, and I only want to retire the day I